Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy coming here. This video, we're gonna be talking about how to start a personal brand. So you can use your phone, your front-facing camera, and then you can put like a stack of books on a table where you sit. You can do the talking head, or you can hold it like blogging. Like the front-facing camera is high quality. The back-facing camera is high quality most times. And you want it to be like monitor type of resolution, so it's gonna be sideways and up and down. You use on your mobile phone, download the app YouTube Studio. When you record, it's gonna be in your gallery, whatever. Download the app InShot. That's gonna be your video editor. You just go there, you put remove ad, you watch a little 30-second ad every time you edit a video, and it removes the watermark. And you could trim it, cut it, put some effects, letters on it. You could probably come up with a intro with like letters, and then make some music effect, sound effects, and then the rest of the video you probably add like a fair use uh, music effect. So while you either doing the talking head or the vlog, it's like uh, the fair use music effect in the background at like 10%, 30% volume audio to your vlog. So it's like, oh, it's cool. You ever seen those videos where it has like little background music? That's what it is. You could trim them, cut them, split, delete. Well, InShot is a video editor. Then you use YouTube Studio on the phone and you upload it. And all you gotta do is pull your phone out and talk to it every day. Not every day, but like it's something called Load the Cannon. Yeah, I said the four things you want to find long tail keywords with vidIQ in your niche, high search volume, low competition. It earns you more AdSense. Advertisers are gonna search for those things to advertise, and your channel's gonna be earning AdSense. You what else? You want to find small channels in your niche that are creating videos that are working, that are going pop, like famous, because out of being that, you get rich. Out of being famous, you get rich. Alright, boom. You want to be entertaining, like some channels. I mean, like they go, hey YouTube, hey guys, all sorts of crazy shit. Like I see through it, and I know it's bullshit, like parts of it, but you have to be entertaining. They'll do cloud chasing shit. They do cloud chasing shit with it too. Whatever, it's whatever you want, but be entertaining. Um, it's your channel, build your channel, your audience. You can monetize to it how you want. You can have a merch, your own products. Your own products is the best thing. Your own original products. Um, somebody called Sam Ovens, Up Level. That's what you want to learn, how to create your own product, your own MVP. Transform your audience results, whether you're weight loss and you want to teach them how to lose weight or make money, and you want to teach them how to make money, you got to transform your clients' results, like your audience results. As long as you can create a transformation for them, you're good. As long as you get 1 out of 10 who actually created a great product, you're good. That's what you got to strive for. All right, you're good. You're great. Like there's something called an app called WHOP, WHOP.com. It's a platform that lets you host your course. I got that. Matter of fact, I got M Accelerator. My MVP came out. I got something to sell y'all. That's good. See, I'm building your YouTube channel and you got something to sell your own product. Like at the highest scale, like people could sell it for like 12,000, 30,000, fucking that much too. Like 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, and you can create different versions, better versions and stuff. There are like bigger level programs and stuff. Like, for example, yeah, I'm not gonna say, but CA to UL, UL was bigger. Talking about the Sam Evans product, what everybody's doing online now. So yeah, they're either using Watch School. You can use after that, like, yeah, Kajabi, your own domain, somebody on Fiverr to hook up like a software, your own software. Um, I recommend y'all learn from Cole Gordon and Jerry Minor, which is very great for you to get clients and all this stuff and sell products online. You building an audience, you're gaining organic traffic. It's free organic. Um, what else? Yeah, you could also promote through Google AdWords. Say I said build credit, right? You have American Express charge cards because you build credit, right? You can have as many LLCs as you want. They can get a business credit on them. There you go. You have American Express charge cards for that, right? Like I said, now you could promote your own your YouTube channel through Google AdWords. You could target people who created videos, like the title of their video has to do with your audience. So you putting yourself in front of them first through the promotions you creating. So whatever products you have, now you can sell it to them. And then your ads, the video, the Google AdWords ad for YouTube ads is gonna be a YouTube video. That alone is gonna get you YouTube views. You see, nobody's watching my stuff now. Once I start promoting, they gonna go back like, oh wow, like it's an effect they have, like, wow, that was a cool video that he has. Let me go watch his other videos. That's where you start growing. And if you created a lot of videos, this one, that one might pop to 1 million views. It's more probability is higher than like, I'm gonna make this one video pop. That's why you gotta keep uploading. That's how it works. And then, all right, so I got a YouTube ad that is you got a YouTube ad that's promoting your niche of product into that niche. Other channels with videos in their niche. That's the title's there. Now you promoting your product, your personal brand. You're selling yourself, your name, your product. Now you're getting views. You also create one where you tell them to subscribe to you because it's a YouTube video advertisement and your channel's there. The video it's gonna be unlisted. It's still your channel. It's still getting views through the ads, advertisements on Google AdWords. It's still growing your channel. They're still gonna go back to your channel and say, "Oh wow, what other videos he has uploaded?" That's how you grow, like promoting yourself, like doing promos because you got credit and doing promos. This is how like um independent people grow their own stuff. Like even um like most people with products, like the elite ones, the best ones. That's how they're doing it. You go also take the best data, your email list. The best ones is like, say I get an email list of people who purchase, like I recommend a product or something. It's just to filter all the free to the buyers, your buyers. You want that list and then your product. And then you can also upload it to other platforms like Facebook and TikTok. And it's gonna create you an audience similar to that lookalike audience. And now you keep growing it. Because those are people who mess with your content, like they support it. Alright. Um that's the third way. So first you rank it for long term, then you modeling success, more chance of ranking. Then you should probably get some affiliate sales after you keep running it out. Once you get like half a thousand plus videos, you have to be gaining traction and some sales or something. An audience grew finally. you gotta keep uploading. Every time you upload, create a better title, better topics, better better a video. Create a better video. Fundamentally, number one is create a better video. Then it's I create a better thumbnail and all that. It's organic. And the thing I learned, like, it could be like slides, it's entertaining and educating. Your channel could be the MVP. So like all the stuff you took into that product was on your channel because they're like, all right, I want to keep watching more videos from this. I like this. It's just solving my problem, adding my value, entertaining me. Number one is entertainment, then like education, all that stuff. All right. Um. Yeah, the main thing is a year from now, with your channel, you want to be able to look back and say, all right, for the past year, every week, I uploaded minimum 1 to 3 times minimum. So there's no limit. Like you could literally upload 5 videos every day. But why? You just like not giving it enough time to get views. But at the start is the best thing because that concept I explained, the more videos you make, the more inside of those videos that will actually pop. So therefore, like yeah, stuff like that. I hope y'all found that useful. It's how to start a personal brand. Your MVP part 2. I'm gonna keep creating this. I'm gonna keep pushing this. This is the best video ever. I explain everything. Like even though I'm still learning about this, I'm going. But I'm gonna make sure that last point is me.